Hey, McKinney here with the Soil and Water Outcomes Fund. Today I'm in Southeast Iowa doing some field verification. Just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what our verification process looks like. So at the Soil and Water Outcomes Fund, 100% of our fields get verified in the spring. In certain situations, depending on the conservation practice that our producers implement, an additional fall verification is needed. This field, for example, is a no-till soybeans field. An oat cover crop was planted. As you can see, unfortunately, there was a lack of oat germination due to low moisture in Iowa this year. Also, some early frost really nipped this off, and it's hard to tell in this video. But this is a perfect example of a field that needs both a fall verification to verify that winter kill oat cover crop, as well as a spring verification to verify that no tillage happened. This is a no-till contracted field. Once that spring verification happens, we can note that no tillage happened, and that would be that producer's contract would be compliant, so we can process the second half of their payment. Quickly, I'm going to run down what we look at and what we do whenever we do our field verification. So our verifiers use the Soil and Water Outcomes Fund verification app when they roll up to a field. They walk out in the field, they look at a variety of field characteristics. So this field, soybeans, no-till, we look at residue percentages, as well as other additional stuff like, is there cattle grazing? Is there cover crop presence? What's the height of that cover crop? Most importantly, we take two georeference photos, one of which is of this white square that you see here on the ground. We take a photo looking directly down at that square. The square is a known area. We can use that on the back end to calculate stuff like cover crop coverage or redo calculations on our percent residue. Also, we take a photo of the square kind of landscape, horizontal across the field. These two photos are great for visual compliance in our verification reports that producers and customers get, as well as these are geo-referenced. So I can look at these and make sure that our verifiers were in the correct locations, verifying the correct fields at the correct times. If you have any other questions about the Soil and Water Outcomes Fund or how I can get involved, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.